Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a unique and refreshing poha milk dessert, a perfect summer treat that's creamy, fruity and absolutely delicious. If you are looking for a cool, refreshing and easy to make summer dessert, this poha milk dessert is a must try. First, preparing the custard milk. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of milk to a boil. Add 1/4 cup sugar and stir until dissolved. If you want a healthier version, skip the sugar and use honey or dates as a natural sweetener. In a small bowl, mix 1/4 cup milk with 1 tablespoon custard powder until smooth. Add the custard mixture to the boiling milk and stir continuously. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly thickened. Set aside and let it cool completely. Milk and fruits provide essential vitamins, calcium, and antioxidants. Now preparing the poha or flattened rice. Take 1 cup of poha or flattened rice in a bowl. Soak in water for 5 minutes until soft. Poha is rich in iron, making it great for improving hemoglobin levels. Wash well and drain the excess water. In a serving bowl, add the soaked poha. Add 1/4 cup apple, 1/4 cup banana, 3 tablespoon black grapes, 3 tablespoon green grapes, some red grapes, and some pomegranate seeds. Pour the chilled custard milk over the fruits and poha. Mix everything well. Chilling the milk overnight makes the dessert even more flavorful and refreshing. Top it off with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for extra creaminess. Poha is an ancient Indian breakfast food that has been enjoyed for centuries. It is naturally gluten-free and very light on the stomach. Serve immediately for a refreshing summer dessert. For extra crunch, add some chopped nuts like almonds or cashews. This dessert is light, easy to digest, and perfect for hot summer days. Let us know in the comments if you have ever tried poha in a sweet dish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more exciting recipes. See you in the next video.